Hey guys, welcome to our party. My name's Ashley, and I wanted to take a minute to welcome you to our fun night. We're going to be talking about Color Street, what Color Street is, what it's all about. I hope you find that you love it just as much as I do. I'm going to be doing an application of Color Street to just show you just how easy it is to apply. There's no dry time, and you can do this with anywhere. I've done it in the car before. It's amazing. You're gonna love it, and I can't wait to share it with you. Now on to the application. Hey guys, so I'm going to put on a set of nails tonight, and I wanted you to be able to see exactly how easy it is. There are a couple different ways that you can put them on. I'm going to show you those different ways, and I hope that this is beneficial to you guys, just so that you can see exactly how easy it is. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the prep pad, and when you do that, you take it out. It all comes in your kit. This is the kit that you receive. You receive this, your nail strips, and a nail file, and 2 prep pads. So what you do is you want to take the prep pad, and one prep pad really works for both hands, and you're just wanting to get off those essential oils and the impurities on your nails that might make it to where the nails won't stick. So you're going to clean off all your nails. And I'm going to open the package. And in each package there are 16 nail strips. And these nail strips are very easy to pull apart. I know that you always want to start at your pinky, and you want to do that because you want to be able to use your thumb for the method that I like the best. I'm going to put on Sierra Jewel is the name of this color. It's a really pretty color. It's a little bit darker than Tokyo Lights. And I'm going to go ahead and start. And I know just from experience that the second to last nail strip works for my pinky finger. So, but if you didn't know, and this is your first time using them, what you would do is just sort of take it and make sure that it wraps all the way around your nail, from side to side. So you take off the clear protective coating and peel off the backing. Take that off. This is the way that I do it. There are many ways that you can do it. So this first way that I'm going to show you is the way that Color Street tells you to do it. And they say to pull and almost twist it underneath. And then voila, it's done. And so that finger's finished. So I'm going to show you the way, and I'll go ahead and do the same thing for the other pinky finger. Honestly, this is not the way. I do not use the traditional or the way that they say that this works the best, although it is very, very easy doing it their way. So they tell you to pinch, and they might actually say to file down, I'm not sure. but I just sort of perforate and pull. And done. Easy. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the way that I normally do them. This next finger I know is my next one, so I pull it off, tear off the covering, tear off the actual nail strip itself, and I like to utilize as much as I can so that I am able to. So what I do is this, because I want to be able to utilize every bit that I can, and I want to be able to get the most out of each set that I can. So all I did was perforate it, and I still have this half. Well, with having that half left, I know it's going to fit this other nail. So I'm going to go over here and do the same thing with what was left, and make sure it's down really good. Make sure the corners. And I'm just going to sort of pull underneath and using my thumbnail, put it underneath. Alright, so pretty easy. With this next one, I believe this is the one that fits mine. Tear off the backing. Now some people use the file to actually file down on their nail, and I've heard it works for several people. That's not my method, but I will show you how that works. You need to do what's easiest for you, and it's good to give the 3 ways a try, because what's easiest for me might not always be easiest for you. So put it down, and say that one's like, I can see a little bit of my nail still in there, but there's some extra on that side, so I'm just going to gently pull it back up, and you can readjust them as needed, as long as you are gentle. I'm actually thinking that this one might fit this finger better. So alright, so I'm going to gently pull, and I do have a little excess on that nail, so I'm going to use the file to just file it down just a little bit. I'm just making sure that each nail that I choose, nail strip that I choose, is wide enough. You do get 16 nails, as I mentioned before, so I'm normally able to get at least a manicure, pedicure, and sometimes, regardless of my method of the way that I put them on, like this way, I'm able to use 1 strip for 2 nails. And so when I do it that way, I'm able to actually get I'm able to get my 2 manicures out of each pack, along with a pedicure. And I'll show you what's left at the end, because we're almost done. Just have the thumbs to get finished. And you're taking off the clear backing, removing the strip from the paper. And applying it on. That was a little bit far over, so I'm going to readjust it. Perfect. Putting it underneath. Putting my thumb underneath. Again, that's why you want to make sure that that's the last step that you do, your thumbs, because of the fact that you want your thumbs to be able to use that to tuck under. So I'm going to continue. To rub it down. Make sure it has applied itself. I have a little bit of excess underneath there, so what I need to do is sometimes I just tuck it under. Alright guys, so I have finished my manicure. It's very quick. And what I have left is all of these extra nails. And I'm going to be able to use that for probably another manicure and a pedicure. So it's pretty awesome. It's cost efficient. I definitely couldn't get a manicure and a pedicure, even if that's all that I got for the cost of what these cost me. So it's a tremendous savings, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.